Hey guys, welcome back to Receptive Solutions, your one-stop to travel, work, study and settle abroad. Well, there is good news for Indian passport holders as this country has introduced their new e-visa system. Well, the IMOT has introduced its new digital e-visa system which makes it easier for the Indian travelers from January 2025. Well, this modernized process makes it quicker, easier by introducing an online process by completely eliminating the physical document. This initiative reflects Israel's commitment to improving travel accessibility and strengthening its ties with India, a key market for its tourism sector. With the launch of the e-visa platform, it makes it simpler to travel to Israel, making it quicker and easier. Travelers can submit their applications anywhere and anytime to the government portal. However, group visas will still follow the old system. India has always been the key to Israel's tourism industry. In 2018, around 70,800 Indians traveled to Israel. While travel numbers dropped during the pandemic year, they began to recover with 30,900 Indian tourists visiting in 2022 and increasing to 41,800 in 2023. Between January and October 2024, about 8,500 Indians had already visited Israel. With a simplified and hassle-free process, most people are likely to choose Israel for their next trip. Applications for e-visas can be submitted through the official government portal at gov.il for those eager to explore Israel's rich culture and history. So this was some news about Israel's new e-visa system, and we will keep updating you guys with more such information. So stay tuned to our channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.